Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your Facebook app and then click on the top right corner three-line menu bar icon. Then you just need to scroll down and select settings. Right now again select see more on in account center, select it. Right now select personal details, select account ownership and control, select deactivation or deletion, select your profile and select delete, select continue. Then you just need to type the reason or select the reason why you want to delete. Then select continue and select continue and scroll down and select continue. And you just need to type the password. You just need to type your Facebook password, and yeah, after that your Facebook account will be deleted. So that's it guys. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.